Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This side Ekta from Ekta's Art World. So today we gonna learn this beautiful box envelope. So it looks like this from the front and it has so many layers in it, and it looks like this from the back, and it has a thread knot on it. And when we open it, so we can use it as a candy bar box, or you can put money for it. It looks so gorgeous. So today I'm going to show you how to make a base of this box envelope and the layering of the flowers and the distressing technique. So let's proceed forward. So first we will take a cardstock, white cardstock, which measures 11.5 inch and 8 1/4 inch. On the 11.5 inch side you have to score at 3.5 inch, 4 inch, 7.5 inch and 8th inch. And on the 8 1/4 inch side you have to score half inch on both the sides. So you have to bone fold all the sides, all the scoring sides, just the way I'm doing it. Now cut some portions of the cardstock just the way I'm doing it. On one part I have cut the 1/2 inch which we have measured before, and on the other side we have to fold the half inch side inside the box envelope. So we have to just make a little V cut on both the sides, so that we can fold the box very nicely. You can use any kind of glue or the tacky tape as well to seal the box envelope. After making the base of this envelope, now we have to assemble the other layers. And for matting the base, I'm using here a silver cardstock which is of 400 GSM, and I am here just cutting this silver cardstock little bit lesser than the base. I'm going to cut just a 1/4 inch lesser than the base cardstock. If you are new to my channel or my videos, so please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and share and comment as well. Once I stick the matte silver cardstock, now I'm taking the black cardstocks and I have just emboss it using the embossing folder. So this is the Dimas embossing folders. You can buy it from any online store, any art and craft online store, and I have just cut little lesser than the silver cardstock and I have just pasted it. Now it's time for another layer, and here I'm using some paper pads from the Scrappy Tales paper pack. Here I'm very randomly tearing off the edges, very roughly tearing off the edges, and I will stick on the black embossed paper. So in this way we can have a very rough and distressed kind of look on the box envelopes. And one more thing, I am going to distress the edges of this pattern paper as well, so that it gives a very vintage and very rusty look as well. It gives you a very clean and the very fresh look of your envelope. So in this way I'm going to stick this pattern paper as well, and this is my 4th layer of this box envelope. First we have created the white cardstock base, then we have done the matting with the silver cardstock, then we have done the embossing folder technique from the black cardstock, and now I'm going to use the pattern papers with the distress effect. And in this way we have created 4 layers on this box envelope. Now it's time to embellish with some flowers and with some die cuts. So here I'm using some circle die cuts, some leaf die cuts, some foliages die cuts from different brands of art and craft store. You can buy it on any online store, and I have cut this circle cardstock, silver cardstock, and on top of that I'm using another sheet of the Scrappy Tales paper pack one, and I have just stick it on the distress effect wala paper par. Then I'm going to embellish it with some silver cardstock foliages and with some white cardstock foliages, and I will be using here some white handmade flowers and some silver handmade flowers with the help of any type of silicone glue or any Fevicol glue. And here I have used also a white lace ribbon as well. Basically I have tried this box envelope using the monochrome theme. In monochrome theme you have to choose any shades of any color, so here I have choose the black, silver and white in monochrome theme. So in this way you can create very beautiful and designer box envelopes, money envelopes, or you can put any long candy bar in it as well, and you can gift it to someone special, or you can gift it on any occasion like birthdays, anniversaries, and the people who will get this, I'm sure they will gonna definitely like this. Here I am adding some glitter, some sequences, just to add some more elements to my envelope, and it gives a very blingy and a very shiny effect to your cards or to your envelopes or any kinds of project. So here I'm using in white and in silver, which is I'm sure matching with my monochrome theme as well. So at the back of the side of this envelope I have used the same technique, same embossing folder technique, black cardstock one, and I have just pasted it. And now here I'm adding cabochons. These are glass cabochons, and this gives a very shiny effect to your project. And also I am just sprinkle some black color, a very little black color, onto my envelope. Now to cover the back side of the envelope, here I'm using again the black cardstock, and on that I'm here just scoring on every 1/4 inch. This is another way of making the blank cardstock to a just to give it another look, fancy look to it. So here I'm scoring in a crisscross manner. So again on the horizontal side and on the vertical side I am just scoring on every 1/4 inch, and I will just cut this in the same manner, just the way I did it on the front side, a little bit lesser from the base cardstock, and I will put this on the inner backside of the envelope. And for the opening and how to open this envelope, so here I am using a wet crochet thread, and I have just matted on the backside of the cardstock, and I have put another cardstock which we have done the scoring cardstock. So I have pasted another cardstock on top of the thread. And if you want to buy any of my art and craft project, any wall decor project on any kind of envelopes, or want to give me an order, then just email me at ekta.dimpy@gmail.com. I will write down in the description box as well. So guys, please do check out my other videos and other art and craft videos as well. I'm sure you gonna love the techniques and the way I have created all my art and craft projects. So in this way you can create a beautiful box envelope for any occasion, and I have used here a congratulations sentiment so that you can gift it on any occasion, whether it's birthday or anniversaries or any marriage. So see you guys, bye bye, see you in the next video. Till then, be creative and keep crafting, and stay at home and stay safe.